everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural. Today I am so excited because a lot of people ask that question and they ask me, they're like, why is my hair not growing? What can I do? It looks as if my hair has stopped growing. Don't you ever get to the point where you feel like your hair has stopped growing? So I was quite excited when I decided to partner up with Uhuru Naturals, and they just came out with their new line, and this new line is the is the rapid growth line. So they have two products right now that I'm going to showcase to you. I did an unboxing on my Instagram page, Discovering Natural. So these are the two products right over here. Let me see if I can show you nicely. So these are the two products that I'm showcasing to you. Now, the goal of these products is to help with rapid growth, especially if you have stagnated growth. So you all know, and I've done videos on this, your hair is always growing. I always tell you your hair is always growing. It's true, your hair is always growing, but there are sometimes that it feels as if your growth is stagnated, is slow, and these products, their aim is to target the scalp. If you concentrate on your scalp is the bed of where the growth is. Healthy scalp equals healthy hair. So I, as someone that I just don't like saying, oh, go buy this, blah, blah, blah. I like to show you. So for the next few months, I'm going to be using these products on my scalp, and I'll show you how I use them on my scalp, on my hair, which ones you should use on your scalp and which ones you should not use on your hair. So with that being said, we're gonna start off. My hair right now, I washed it and I've had it drying for about 3 days now. So I purposely didn't moisturize my hair. So this is what my hair feels like. This is what my hair looks like. And this is the length of my hair right now. So I'm not going to measure it, but you can kind of get an idea of where it is and where it's stopping. So I usually pack my hair like this, so you can see it's reaching me right over here. This one at the back is reaching me right above, right over here, so kind of like armpit length. The back, I don't usually concentrate on the back. So the first product I want to show you, this is the Rapid Biotin with MSM Advanced Scalp Therapy. It says it's formulated with powerful ingredients to stimulate hair growth and increase scalp health. Now, the backstory of this was that the CEO, Charity, she was struggling a lot with stagnated hair growth, and because of her determination, she decided to create this line. So Biotin, let's talk about Biotin. We all know about Biotin. We take Biotin vitamins. Biotin helps a lot with your hair health, your skin health, your nail health. So a lot of times you see people taking Biotin vitamins. Now MSM is sulfur, and MSM has components in it that can really help with strengthening the scalp, not strengthening the scalp, with the health, improving the health of the scalp and helping the follicle which exists underneath the scalp. So the key thing in this also contains black seed oil. I've done several videos on black seed oil, which helps overall with the strengthening of the hair, improving and rejuvenating the hair and the scalp health and the cells. So black seed oil is really good for ingesting and also for your hair and so many other stuff. So let's talk about, okay, I've rambled enough. I'm gonna show you how to use this. It says here, spray. Before I go further, let me just mention that this product, I'm partnering, as I said earlier, with Uhuru Natural, and they have a discount code, or I have a discount code for you, 20% off. Let us try this together and see if it works. 20% off. Use my discount code DiscoveringNatural20. I'll put it on the screen right here, and you can also get it on the description area so that I can click it. But this is what we're going to test out. If you're my OGs, you guys, you know me. I'm gonna test the shege out of this stuff. So I'm going to only be using these two on my scalp. So the direction of this is to spray it only on your scalp. you want to only spray it on your scalp. It is not meant to be used on your hair as if you're using a leave-in conditioner. You should only use it on your scalp. And the ingredients, you have the link, you can go look at the ingredients for this. But the key ingredients starts with water, glycerin. We have pure you know what, just go and check. Let me know. Anyway, just go and check the ingredients in the ingredients list. So let's get started using this. I love. It contains no paraben, no sulfate, no paraffin, no mineral oil, and no animal testing. And the rapid solution is to overcome stagnated hair growth, prevent shedding, breakage, and improve your scalp health. So for all you guys, let's test this out. So I'm gonna go like this, and I'll be showing you how we're going to spray it. So there's a stopper right here, so you want to push the stopper to start it. So I just close it right now. If you want to open it, you push the stopper right here and it opens it. Now this is the spray. You pump it. Okay, hopefully, I think I just closed it. So you spray it. Yeah, let's spray it. Okay, you see how it sprays? Like that. So we're gonna spray this on the scalp only. So the scalp only, so I'm gonna take it and I'm just gonna spray it on my scalp only. I'm not concentrating on my hair. So I'm pushing it on my scalp, massaging it in. Okay. And just spray it to the root on my scalp. So I'm smelling it. It has man, I'm trying to see what the smell is. It's like very herbal smell. Yeah, that's the smell. So yeah, so it's squirting now. Okay, see, once you start it, it starts squirting. So that is how to spray. So I'm just spraying that on my scalp. I like that squirt. Don't you like that squirt? So I'm just spraying it on my scalp only. Yes, it's gonna touch your hair at the roots, but the main area you want to concentrate is the scalp. And this you can use daily. Yeah, it's infused with biotin, MSM, aloe vera juice, and botanical extract to stimulate hair growth from the root, and you use it daily. So you can use this daily, even with protective styles. So you can use this daily. So we're just gonna put it on the scalp. And after we put it on the scalp like this, so you see me? Okay, that's it. So after I put it on the scalp, I'm just gonna make sure I massage it. This is my problem area. My crown area is my problem area. I'm massaging it in. Now the oil. This is the oil, okay? So this is the oil. Look at the bottom of the oil. You see this white stuff? Yeah. So this white stuff, I'll tell you what that is. I believe that is the MSM powder. And because it's natural, before you use any of this stuff, you really should shake them off. This doesn't have the white stuff. This has the white stuff underneath. So I'm gonna give it a good shake. But this is the Rapid Biotin and Black Seed Advanced Growth Elixir. Okay, so this one, it contains the key ingredients in this is fenugreek oil, it contains Chebe oil, Amla oil, Nettle oil, brime oil, black seed oil, hemp oil, and then it also contains pumpkin seed oil. Those are powerful growth oils, guys. Castor oil, coconut oil, onion oil. So it does contain onion oil. I'm a bit nervous how it's gonna smell, but let's just wait, okay? And it also contains sulfur. So that is the sulfur, fragrances, and aloe vera, biotin, and caffeine. So all these ingredients, if you go and search for the benefits of all these ingredients, you'll be able to know that these ingredients are very powerful. They promote hair growth. They stimulate hair growth stimulation. So I'm shaking it really well. So if you're into the onion juice stuff, this might be the solution. Okay, so I've shaken it really well. You see the white residue is no longer there, and the content is now a light, like a greenish color. So let's open it up. I want to first open it to see if it's sealed. So I notice it's not sealed like that, so that is okay. it has, let's open the nozzle. It has a nozzle pointer thing here. So I'm gonna take this, and you can use this also. How do you use this? So you can use this daily. So use it daily, and it says right over here, shake before you use. So always shake before you use. Apply daily, apply small amount and massage into scalp, walk it through your hair. So I'm gonna take it now and we're gonna put it through the scalp like that. So you see I'm putting it through my scalp. So we're gonna be using this daily. You all should check it out because I'm gonna be going on every day when I use this to show you. I will either be showing you on my Facebook page, Discovering Natural, as I'm using this, or I'll be showing you on my Instagram page, and I'll be doing everything live so that you all know that I am not going to be cheating. We are going to see how this works. We're going to see if it works, and I'm very excited. It has promising ingredients. So we are going to dive more into the ingredients in later videos, like the benefits of each ingredient that is being used. I'll put some also to my edges. Okay, like that. And then I'm going to take a little bit of it, see, and I'm going to walk that through my hair. Now my hair is dry, right? So I should spray some water. I'm going to spray some water on my hair because we don't want to seal in dry hair. Don't put oils directly. Don't just do what I just did. So I'm going to get the oil again. So my hair now has some moisture, and I'm going to use the oil on top of it like that. I'm still going to massage my scalp. I just want to make sure I'm done using the oils before I massage my scalp. So once that is done, I can now massage my scalp. So I'm going to give my scalp a good massage. Don't just put oils on your hair without massaging the oils into your hair. You can massage as long as you want, but take your time and massage. Now the smell. It doesn't smell like onion. It just has a herbal smell. It's not overwhelming and overpowering, so I'm loving that, because if I'm going to be putting this in my hair every day, I don't want overwhelming smell. So now I have done this. Now because I use oils, I'm going to take my moisturizer, and I'm just going to take my moisturizer as a sealant, and I'm just going to put that over my hair. So this is how I'm going to use it. And the moisturizer I'm choosing, it's a moisturizer that you can use daily. So I know I've hit pen on that moisturizer. So concentrating on the ends of your hair, that's another way to retain the growth, reduce the breakage. So I'm putting that on. And we are done. We are done. Y'all, if you decide to purchase this, send me a picture. You can put it on our Facebook group. Send me a picture on Instagram. I will put your, I'll put your information, I'll give you like a shout out. Let me know if you purchase it. I want to know everyone that purchases. Who else is in my challenge? I mean, this 2 months challenge. I want to say a big shout out to Uhuru Natural. This is going to be amazing. I'm very excited to try this out. I am going on a challenge with you all. A 2 months challenge. We're going to see how it goes. We're going to go past 2 months. I'm so excited. This is my first challenge with you all. So thank you so much. We are going to do it. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.